Soursop as a natural remedy for 10 health conditions with 5 tasty recipes. It's no secret that soursop has been revered for its medicinal properties in traditional medicine. While more research is needed, many cultures have used the fruit and its leaves to treat a variety of health conditions. We explore 10 conditions for which soursop is commonly used, though it's important to note that these remedies should never replace medical advice or treatment. Soursop treats arthritis and joint pain. Soursop leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce swelling and pain associated with arthritis. Studies suggest that compounds in the leaves can alleviate discomfort in the joints by inhibiting inflammatory pathways. Soursop tea made from 3 to 4 leaves per cup is a common remedy for joint pain and inflammation. Ask your doctor if you should use soursop leaves for your arthritis and joint pain. Soursop helps with insomnia and sleep disorders. The leaves of the soursop tree have a mild sedative effect, which can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Drinking soursop leaf tea before bedtime is a popular remedy for insomnia, helping to calm the nerves and ease the mind. Using 3 to 4 leaves in a cup of hot water is suitable. An article in Huffington Post states, in the West Indies, soursop leaves are commonly used as a sedative. In the Netherlands Antilles, the leaves are brewed to make a beverage that enhances sleep. The leaves can also be put into one's pillowcase to enhance sleep. Talk to a medical professional about treating your insomnia with soursop leaf tea. Soursop controls high blood pressure or hypertension. Soursop's potassium content is beneficial for controlling blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can reduce strain on the heart and arteries. Regular consumption of soursop juice or tea may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels over time. Use 3 to 4 leaves to make a warm cup of tea. Have a discussion with your doctor about using soursop juice or tea for your high blood pressure. Soursop can prevent diabetes. Soursop may help in regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that soursop extracts can help reduce blood glucose levels, making it a useful natural remedy for those at risk of type 2 diabetes. Drinking soursop leaf tea with 3 to 4 leaves is a common practice for controlling blood sugar. If you are already on medication for diabetes, it is advisable to consult with your doctor before using soursop leaf tea to regulate your blood sugar levels. Soursop has anti-cancer effects. While soursop has not been definitively proven to cure cancer, its antioxidant properties and high levels of acetogenins, naturally occurring compounds, have led to its investigation as a potential cancer-fighting fruit. Eating the pulp and drinking a cup of tea with 3 to 4 soursop leaves have many benefits. Preliminary research suggests that soursop may have anti-cancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, these findings are still under study, and soursop should not be used as a replacement for cancer treatment. Have a conversation with your healthcare provider about using this natural remedy to prevent cancer. Soursop improves digestive health. The high fiber content of soursop makes it an excellent aid for digestion. It can help alleviate constipation and promote gut health by encouraging regular bowel movements. Soursop's natural enzymes also aid in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients in the digestive system. Eat the soursop fruit and drink a cup of tea with 3 to 4 leaves to relieve constipation and encourage regular bowel movements. If you are currently using medication for any condition, ask your doctor if it is okay for you to be using soursop. Soursop is used for skin health and acne. Soursop's vitamin C content, along with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, make it beneficial for the skin. The fruit's pulp can be applied topically to treat acne, wounds, or skin irritations, and consuming it may help promote a clear, glowing complexion. Ask your doctor if this treatment is right for you. Soursop benefits eye health. Soursop contains a variety of antioxidants that can benefit eye health. Vitamin C and other phytochemicals help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration by protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of soursop may support overall eye health. Discuss this remedy with your healthcare provider to be safe. Soursop is used to detoxify the liver. Soursop leaves have been used traditionally to detoxify the liver. They are believed to have cleansing properties, helping to flush out toxins and support liver function. Soursop leaf tea with 3 or 4 leaves is often consumed as a natural detoxifier. Tell your doctor you would like to try this natural remedy. Soursop is a natural remedy for stress and anxiety relief. Soursop is known for its calming properties, with both the fruit and leaves acting as natural remedies for anxiety and stress. The leaves contain compounds that help reduce nervous tension and promote a sense of calm, making Soursop tea a popular choice for people seeking mental relaxation. While Soursop may offer therapeutic benefits, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before using it as a treatment for any condition, particularly if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Here are 5 recipes that allow you to enjoy the health benefits of Soursop fruit and leaves. Soursop Leaf Tea. This is the most direct way to consume the leaves. Use 5 to 7 fresh or dried soursop leaves, 3 cups of water. Rinse the leaves and add them to a pot of boiling water. Reduce the heat and let the leaves simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the leaves and serve hot or cold. You can sweeten it with honey or sugar if desired. Soursop smoothie, a refreshing and nutritious way to use the fruit pulp. Remove seeds from 1½ cup soursop pulp, 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1/4 cup coconut cream, 1 cup non-dairy milk, agave syrup, or honey to taste. Combine all ingredients in a high-powered blender and blend until smooth and creamy. If you want a thinner consistency, add more milk. Serve immediately. Soursop juice, guanabana, a simple and classic beverage. Use 1 ripe soursop fruit, pulp only, seeds removed, for cups of filtered water, sweetener, e.g., sweetened condensed milk, sugar, or agave to taste. Blend the soursop pulp with water until smooth. Strain the mixture if you prefer a less pulpy drink. Stir in your desired sweetener and serve over ice. For a twist, you can add a splash of lime juice. Soursop mousse, a light and elegant dessert. Use soursop puree, made from the pulp of 1 fruit, seeds removed, whipped cream, a base of Italian meringue, or gelatin to set. Combine the soursop puree with the meringue and whipped cream, then add gelatin to give the mousse its structure. Refrigerate until set. You can serve it in single cups and garnish with mint or other fresh fruit. Soursop lemonade, a tangy, tropical take on a classic. Use 1½ cups soursop juice, 1¼ cups fresh lemon juice, 1 cup water, and sugar to taste. Combine the soursop juice, lemon juice, water, and sugar in a pitcher. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Serve over ice. You can infuse the water with lemon slices for an extra burst of flavor before mixing with the juices. Soursop stands out as a fruit revered in traditional medicine for its diverse health benefits. While it is not a substitute for professional medical care, its use across various cultures for a range of conditions, from arthritis and insomnia to hypertension and digestive issues, highlights its potential. The leaves, with their anti-inflammatory and calming properties, are often brewed into a tea, while the high fiber and vitamin C content of the fruit pulp make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. The presence of powerful antioxidants and unique compounds like acetogenins further underscores the need for continued research into this wonder fruit. As with any natural remedy, it is always crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using soursop to treat any health condition, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or on medication.